Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by updating both the Quest 2 and Vrchat because compatibility matters. Once done, enable hand tracking in settings under Hands and Controllers. Make sure you choose the gesture option if prompted, and restart the headset to apply changes. You should be in a well-lit area with no reflective surfaces, since the cameras need clean visual data to track your fingers. Put the headset on, open the Oculus Quick settings, and confirm hand icon appears. This confirms basic tracking is active before entering Vrchat. Once hand tracking is active at the system level, go into Vrchat settings and switch input to hands or enable hand tracking support so Vrchat receives the data. You must use avatars that include hand bones or enable avatar hand animation support. Otherwise, your hands won't map correctly. Adjust dead zones and controller fallback so small movements register while preventing jitter. Increase tracking quality if performance allows. Test in a private world and watch your avatar's finger positions. Make incremental tweaks. Finish by testing gestures, pointing, and grabbing inside Vrchat. Walk through common interactions so you know what's responsive. If tracking is inconsistent, first improve lighting and remove bright reflections, then toggle hand tracking off and back on in Oculus settings. Once done, re-enter Vrchat. If hands fail to appear, confirm firmware and app versions match required builds and consider opting into the Oculus Beta if Vrchat needs a newer runtime. One key troubleshooting tip: always test in a clean, well-lit area before blaming software.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.